Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we are making this glass morphism effect using Premiere Pro. So let's start the video. So I have this beautiful video and I have downloaded this video from pixels.com. So you can check the link in the description below. First I will take a shape, then go to essential graphics, rounded those corner. I take 25 for this. So you can see the rounded corners. Okay, I need more. So I can what will I do? I drag this pointer, okay, to a little bit front. Okay, it looks good. Now I turn this graphics. Okay, let's before I do that, what will I do? I make the motion at first. Go to FX control, scale it, and then make it all over 0. So you can see this motion. Okay, let's what I do is in and is out to smooth the animation, and I will take this handle to the here and this one up to here, and you will see the smooth motion. Okay, now what I will do, I will turn this layer into adjustment layer. Now I will add Gaussian blur. For that I go to effects and type Gaussian blur. In the effects control I will increase the Gaussian blur up to 120. Alright, now I duplicate this layer, and first of all what will I do, I uncheck the adjustment layer here and delete the Gaussian blur effect, then select this layer and add the color a little bit dark and bring the opacity down to 5%. Now duplicate this layer even and bring the opacity full. But here what will I do, I do not add the fill, I only add the stroke, maybe in the center. Okay, and not white, it's a little bit off white, so we'll get this nice stroke. A little bit lower, I keep it 2.0 the stroke width, and you can see now our glass morphism looks like this. Okay, also I can add in this layer, in the second layer, some noise. So from effect I will choose noise effect, drag and drop in the second layer. Now add some noise. So after adding the noise, it looks like something like this. It's very subtle. Maybe it's because of opacity. Okay, so if I can check this, and let me just add some text. So here's how you can create class morphism using Premiere Pro very easily. See you in the next video. Bye.